Traveling to an unknown place takes you away from the comfort zone, which is very much necessary if you want to grow. Life is all about exploring, and I have started my journey towards the Queen of Hills. Everybody, this is Shruti and welcome to my documentary. Right now I am in Darjeeling and it's a wonderful view. So I am going to take you to the few places of Darjeeling. One of the best ways is to travel by road, because of which you can enjoy the journey and admire the serenity. A town in West Bengal in Himalayan foothills makes it one of the best travel destinations in India. Let me take you to the few places around Darjeeling. I am in Japanese temple, which is a famous temple in Darjeeling, and it's built by one of the famous Guruji that is from Japan. And it's very peaceful. We have the Buddha statue inside, and if you're coming to Darjeeling, this is a must-visit place. The two-story building is around 10 minutes drive from the town center. Having Buddha statue inside signifies peace and harmony. The humming sound and chants add to the solemn atmosphere of the temple. This is the famous Japanese pagoda, and it is just near the Japanese temple, and it's a very beautiful place with the view of Kanchenjunga tip, but since it's very hazy and mist right now, we cannot see it. It lies just beside the Japanese temple, having 4 avatars of Buddha. It was built after Nagasaki and Hiroshima attack to spread harmony. Around the pagoda is the beautiful art depicting the life of Buddha and his relics. The tallest statue in Darjeeling stands still facing the beautiful mountains, spreading peace and harmony. The street shopping and street food, serving delicious food, is something that you'll find every nook and corner of the town, especially the momos. And if you have not tried it, then you have not tried anything. They are just delicious. You'll find beautiful buildings and monasteries around the town. The Himalayan Zoological Park and Darjeeling Mountaineering Institute is one of the top institutes in India for mountaineering. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway came to existence during British is still under use. One of the oldest steam locomotives in India. By travelling in the tiny train around the town, you can enjoy the beautiful view. Besides the busy lanes and hilltops, there is a range of tea estates that stand apart in the list of places. The vast stretches of tea plantations is all about misty mornings, tea leaves blooming under the sun, endless walk, and of course, sipping your favorite brew.
ultimate trip is the journey. The breathtaking views, the freshness in the atmosphere, unleashing greenery, the tall pine trees truly makes it the Queen of Hills.